Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your eligibility with ACA, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your eligibility with the Affordable Care Act, start by gathering essential documents. These may include your income statements, tax returns, and proof of residency. Next, visit the official healthcare.gov website. On the homepage, click on the Get Coverage tab. Select See if you qualify from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to enter your state of residence. Choose your state from the list provided. After selecting your state, you will need to provide information about your household size. This includes details about everyone who lives with you and is part of your tax household. Next, input your expected annual income from all sources. This should include wages, self-employment income, and any other earnings. Once you fill in your information, click Continue. The site will analyze your data to determine your eligibility for coverage. If you qualify for financial assistance, you will be informed of your options. Make sure to review the type of plans available to you. If you need more assistance, consider contacting the ACA call center. They can guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. Once you're satisfied with your options, proceed to enroll. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment process. After submitting your application, keep an eye on your email for any updates. Be prepared to provide any additional documentation if requested. Finally, ensure you understand your new coverage details and payment deadlines. This will help you make the most of your ACA benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.